Ashawo and hookup is the same thing.
No.
What is the difference?
Ashawo. Now the one where we say they sit down. If person sit down, you go just stand for road. You go drive, you go carry am. One hookup now, you go there as Ashawo no dey dress well. You see Ashawo dey carry all those any hair.
Ashawo no dey dress well.
Yes, they carry all those any hair. But you see hookup girl they neat. They dress well, they dey inside house. You go call them, they will come outside, come meet you.
Okay.
Ashawo, if you reach there, you go fuck them. They now 1.5 now they pay. Ashawo hookup girl na from 15-20 above.
Okay,
yes, so
Ashawo na 1.5.
Yes.
Hookup girl are from 15-20 and above.
Yes.
Now be the difference of hookup and ashawo. What about the packaging?
Packaging are the one where they go meet Papa will do for them. As they go the man they sleep with them, this is the sweet demand. They will go, they increase the money.
Okay. Packaging are the one we say they go do jazz.
Yes.
Till they nag the men.
Yes.
So that one has any money when they come for the man go they pay.
Yes.
Now that one be packaging. So
that man go even if
that means they get to this side.
Yes, if you even leave the wife, so you can stay with that girl where they package.
Woman. I need to be very careful in this town.